In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize multiple images in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you've ever had to adjust pictures one by one, you already know how time-consuming that can be. The good news is, there's a much faster way to select several images at once and work with them together. This is especially useful when you're building reports, documents, flyers, class assignments, or any Word file that has a lot of images that need the same size or a more consistent layout. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Now let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open your Microsoft Word document and find the images you want to resize. Once you're ready, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding Ctrl, click on each image you want to include. This lets you select multiple images without deselecting the others. Take your time here and make sure you click every picture you want to edit. If you miss one, you can keep holding Ctrl and click it again to add it to the selection. After all of your images are selected, you can begin resizing them. Depending on your version of Word, you may be able to use the picture formatting options to enter a size, or drag the corner handles to scale them consistently. If you want cleaner results, using the corner handles is usually better than dragging from the sides, because that helps keep the images from looking stretched or distorted. You'll want to pay attention to whether your images stay proportionate, especially if you're using photos, logos, or screenshots that need to look professional. If the pictures are different shapes or orientations, resizing them together can still help you get them closer to the same visual style. You can then make small adjustments if needed so the document looks balanced and neat. This is a really handy trick when you want to speed up formatting in Word instead of editing each image individually. It can save a lot of time and make your document look much more polished. Once you've resized everything, click outside the images to deselect them and review the page layout. Make sure the spacing still looks good and that the images fit nicely with the text around them. If something looks off, you can always click the images again and fine-tune the size until it looks right. And that's it. You now know how to resize multiple images in Microsoft Word using a simple multi-select method. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.